I earned over $19,000 in the past couple of months from Fiverr, and you can earn $100 per day on Fiverr without any skills if you follow each and every step shown in this video. So first of all, I want you to come over to Fiverr.com, and as per SimilarWeb, Fiverr is getting over 60 million visitors every single month. So we have a huge opportunity to make money on Fiverr. And I will show you 3 Fiverr gigs with no competition to a little competition, which you can create and earn $100 per day on Fiverr without any skills. So, once you come over to Fiverr.com, I want you to click on Join button right here and register yourself on Fiverr using your Facebook, Google, or your email ID. It's very easy to sign up on Fiverr, so I'm gonna skip this part. And once you sign up on Fiverr, this is how your dashboard will look like. On Fiverr, you can get any service like graphic design, digital marketing, video and animation, programming, and many other services. And before I show you the Fiverr low competition gigs to make money online without any skills and without doing any hard work, I want to burst the myth of most of the people who think to make money with Fiverr, you need to rank on the first page of your service. So, if you search for video editing in the search box, Fiverr will show you more than 40,000 gigs selling video editing services. And because it's the first page of this service, here you will find many gigs getting over 500 reviews. And as we know, not all people leave reviews after getting the service, so for example, this one gig here with over 800 reviews would have get over 2,000 sales and have earned over $20,000 from this one gig over here. But now if you scroll down to the bottom of this page and select the page number 10 from there, it will take you to this page. And you will find that here also people are getting over 1,000 reviews, over 500 reviews. And they are also earning between $15,000 to $20,000. So it doesn't really matter if you are ranking on first page or not, because the Fiverr gigs I am going to show you have very low competition, and you will be able to make money on Fiverr very fast. Now the first and the best Fiverr gig to make money online is mockups. So, once you search mockup in the search bar, Fiverr will show you 9,500 gigs for this service, which is less than the average gigs in other categories. Now as you can see, that people are providing these services for like $5, $10, and even for $35 per mockup service. And this one gig over here got more than 1,000 reviews. And because not every single person on Fiverr will leave feedback when they buy something, we can say that this gig would have received over 3,000 orders, and according to that, they have made over $15,000 from this one gig right here. And they have 3 different plans with different pricing. So if they sold the orders at an average price of $15, they have made over $45,000 using this. Now what mockup services are, basically you're pasting other people's designs onto different products. And in this case they're gonna be these nice t-shirt designs. And this doesn't require any editing, photography, or graphic design skills. Because you can literally use these free tools like Placeit. So just come over to placeit.net. And as you can see right here, we have all of these different examples and templates of mockups, and we can add our own logos and designs with just one click of a button. And for t-shirt mockups, just hover your mouse over mockups on the top, and from apparel section, you can select hats, hoodies, sweatshirts, and t-shirts from here. So just click on t-shirts, and it will take you to this page, where you can find hundreds of different t-shirt mockups. All we gotta do is just upload our logo or design on these t-shirts. So let's say for example you want to add your own design onto this t-shirt right here. All you have to do is click on it, wait until it loads. And on this page, here on the left-hand side, you will insert your image according to the size mentioned over here. And once you upload the design, you can actually adjust it as you like, and you can see the preview of this in this image right here. Once you're done, just press the download button on top right corner, and it will be downloaded onto your computer. No designing skills needed. And if you don't get free trial downloads on Placeit.net, you can just come to Google and search for free t-shirt mockups. And you will find many free t-shirt mockup sites like freepik.com and many others. All you got to do is upload your customer's design on whatever shirt or t-shirt they want to put on, download the final mockup image, and deliver it to your customer. And you can start to make money with Fiverr. Now before we move further, like this video if you want me to create more make money online videos like this. And comment down below the methods you want me to discuss on this channel. Okay, so the second Fiverr gig which you can use is background remove. So if you type that into Fiverr, that's gonna show you all these different people that are providing this service for around $5. So $5 is an average pricing for background removal, and you can see that they are getting over thousands of reviews, which turns out to be over $5,000 if they sold the basic package only. which is probably not the case, but even if it's just $5, it's already over $5,000 that they made with this in one single service. And you don't need any Photoshop or graphic design skills for this. Because I will also show you a website for removing backgrounds online where you can get this done for completely free. For example, you can use a remove.bg website for this. This is the homepage of remove.bg. And once you sign up to remove.bg, all you have to do is click on upload the image and upload the image your customer provided to you for which they want the background to be removed. And just wait for a couple of seconds and remove.bg will instantly do all of the work for you, and this literally requires one click of a button. And not a lot of people know about these tools, so that's why they're going to Fiverr to purchase this service. So once the background is removed perfectly, just click the download button and download the image to your device. Then go back to Fiverr and deliver it to your Fiverr customer. It's just that easy and it's pretty quick. If there are some mistakes with your image, if you can still see some background, maybe they didn't remove something properly, just click the edit button right here, and from here, it will allow you to fix everything. You can erase and restore parts of the photo, and you can also add some other background if required by the customer. Once you're done and once everything is perfect, you can deliver it to your Fiverr clients. Now, before moving on to the last gig, subscribe to my friend's channel, Finance Girl. She is uploading new and working method to make money online. Link to the channel will be in the description of this video. Okay, so the last Fiverr gig on our list is website testing. So you can go to Fiverr, type in website testing, and that's going to show you less than 3,000 services. So the competition in this Fiverr gig is very low, and this is a little bit more different than the previous two Fiverr gigs. Because with website testing, you can literally do this yourself with no previous experience or skills, and you don't even need any free done for you website for this. So basically, some website owner or a website developer needs your honest review and your honest feedback about their website. So they will come to websites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on. And they will buy website testing services from there. They will send you their website link, and all you gotta do is open up their websites. You go through their website and you tell them your honest opinion about what you think about the colors, the design, the buttons, if something doesn't work, if it works, if you don't like it, if you like it, etc. You literally just have to go through the website and tell them exactly what you think about it. You just have to be honest, and that's what they're paying you for. That's the only thing you need to do to earn like $20, $30, or even up to $100 per website you test. Just open a website and be honest about what you think about a website. That's all you need to do, and that's also called as user testing. And now to make even more money with these three types of gigs, you can provide the same service on all other different freelancing platforms like peopleperhour.com, upwork.com, freelancer.com, truelancer.com, and so on. This will help you to get more order fast, and you will be able to make money on Fiverr fast. Thanks for watching, and if you want to make more money by just copy and pasting images, then just click on the video showing on the screen right now.